Hey guys!
guys!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna draw for you.
A Hello Kitty.
Yes. And what is most important? Think?
To have fun!
Super duper. Let's get started now, yeah? So we're gonna draw her bow first. Make a circle just about in this area of your paper. Just a circle like that. Good. Now try and do the sides of a bow just like that. If you can't do this shape, rounded shape would be absolutely fine. Yes. Now it also has a little shape inside it as well to show the crease of a bow. Another side, slightly bigger than the other side, and also it has a little round shape inside it to make a crease. Now we shall start from here and make a line, slightly curved line down just like that. Now slightly curved line up here and connect to the bow. Now we need to draw her ear. So the ear will start here and connect to this line. Now the other side of ear, just like this. Now the other side of her head. Start inside of her ear, just here, and make a same curved line as you did on this side. Just like that. Great. Now we need to connect these two by slightly curved line, just like this. She also needs another ear, so it will be here. Sort of triangle shape, connect two sides of the bow, just like that. Now we'll draw her eyes about in the middle of the head, starting just here. And the same on the other side. Her nose is between the eyes, slightly just a little bit lower than the bottom of her eyes. Circle shape in the middle. Great. Now she has these just like that. Same on the other side. So we've got her head. Now we need to draw her body. We need a circular shape that will connect to the bottom of her head in the middle, just like this. Now we'll draw the side by a curved line like this. And same on the other side. Make a line in the middle, start just here, carry on to the bottom. Now we need to connect these two to make a legs. Just like that. And the other side as well. Good. Her arm comes just next to this line. Draw a curved line and connect here. Make a line for her sleeve. And we'll draw her left hand raised, starting from here, and make a curve like that. She also has a thumbs up, so the thumb will be drawn like this. And connect the line just in a corner here. We also need to make a line for her sleeve on the other arm, so just like that. And also make a line just like that for her dress. Great. I like that. So we are finished. We're gonna color it in now, okay?
Yeah.
High five for this. Good. Good drawing. Very good. And she's got pink bow and pink dress. So I shall choose this pink. Do you want this pink?
That's fine.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So right, high five again for this. Great job, KK. Please comment down below which sort of character would you like to see next. Please don't forget to subscribe, like.
Put the notification bell on.
Yes, great job. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.